stop for a moment and breathe. You didn't click on this message by accident. You didn't stumble here because of chance or coincidence. You were guided. The very energy that surrounds you right now has been orchestrating this moment, aligning it perfectly so that these words find you exactly when you needed them most. You might think you're simply searching for answers or for signs or for hope, but what's really happening is that your soul has been preparing you to remember what you already know deep inside. Love is already closer than you think. Your soulmate, your divine counterpart, your mirror soul. It is not some distant possibility, not some faraway fantasy. Their energy is already moving through your life, weaving itself through the smallest details. The fact that you feel the pull in your heart, the restless longing, the whispers in your mind late at night, all of it is proof that the connection already exists. You have been feeling them, and now it is time to awaken fully to it. Too often, we are taught that love is something to search for, something outside of us, something that will arrive only after enough waiting or enough effort. But the truth is different. Your soulmate is not found through chasing. Your soulmate is revealed through alignment. They do not appear because you beg for them to show up. They appear because you step into the version of yourself who is already loved, already chosen, already worthy. When you become that energy, when you embody that vibration, the universe has no choice but to deliver it. Think about the subtle signs you've been noticing lately, the repeating numbers, the sudden thoughts of someone when you weren't even trying to think of them, the dreams that felt too real to ignore. These are not random. They are ripples of alignment, threads of confirmation that the connection is already alive. When your soul and theirs begin moving closer, reality itself begins to shift. You'll find songs that speak words your heart needed. You'll overhear conversations that echo your desires. You'll see synchronicities that remind you nothing is separate, everything is connected, and love is already finding its way to you. Your soulmate is not far. They are closer than the breath you are taking now. Their energy is already brushing against your field, already blending with your frequency. For some of you, this may be someone you've already met, a person whose presence lingers in your memory, someone you cannot fully explain away. For others, it may be someone new, someone your soul already knows, but your eyes have not yet seen. Either way, the bond exists, and it is unfolding. The universe does not tease you with desire it cannot fulfill. The moment the longing was born, within you, the path toward fulfillment began. Close your eyes for just a second. Imagine yourself in the presence of the one who belongs with you. Do not think of them as separate, as far away, as absent. Feel them here, now. Imagine the warmth of their hand in yours. Imagine the way they look at you, not with judgment, not with hesitation, but with certainty, with devotion, with love that feels like home. Do not picture it as a fantasy. Step into it as reality, because what you imagine, what you assume, what you feel in your inner world becomes the seed that blossoms into your outer world. This is why the old stories no longer belong to you. The heartbreak, the rejection, the delays, those were not punishments. They were training. They were shaping you to recognize the love that will not abandon you. They were clearing the path of illusions so you would not mistake a lesson for your forever. But the time for lessons is ending. The time for fulfillment is beginning. The universe has not forgotten your prayers. It has not ignored your tears. It has been aligning, silently, patiently, until the exact moment you are ready to receive. And that moment is here. You must understand something deeply. Your soulmate is not coming to fix what is broken in you. They are coming to reflect what is already whole within you. They are the mirror that shows you what you are becoming, the living proof of the love you have already awakened inside yourself. If you want them to arrive, begin living as if love is already yours. Speak from it, walk from it, think from it. Every time you affirm, I am loved, I am chosen, I am worthy, you are not only reprogramming your mind, you are summoning the reality where your soulmate stands before you. And soon you will notice the difference. The world will feel lighter. Interactions will shift. Encounters will carry more meaning. You will sense them not as a hope, but as a presence. Because the truth is, they are already here. They are not waiting on a distant horizon. They are already woven into your path, closer than you dare to believe. This is not about waiting, it is about aligning. And when you align, nothing, not distance, not time, not circumstance, can keep what is meant for you from you. So hear me clearly. You did not find this message by chance. You found it because you were ready to awaken. You found it because the love you seek is already seeking you. You found it because your soulmate is closer than you think. And this is your moment to step into the energy of already having, already receiving, already being the love you were made for. Now listen closely. The greatest block between you and your soulmate has never been distance, has never been fate, has never been luck. It has always been the story you keep telling yourself. The story that says love is hard. The story that says it always ends the same way. The story that says maybe you're not enough. These stories are not truths. They are old shadows, echoes of moments when you felt abandoned, unseen, or unloved. But they do not define you unless you choose to keep breathing life into them. What if today, in this very moment, you decided to drop the old story? What if you chose to step into a new one? The story of already being chosen, already being loved, already being worthy. Your soulmate does not arrive when you are perfect. They arrive when you are aligned. They appear when your energy finally says, I am ready to receive. And that readiness has nothing to do with fixing yourself. It has everything to do with claiming yourself. Imagine walking through your day knowing you are loved, not hoping, not wishing, but knowing. How would you move? How would you speak? How would you carry yourself? That version of you is the magnet. That version of you is what your soulmate is drawn to. And the more you live in that state, the faster the meeting, the faster the alignment, the faster the unfolding. For some, this connection will come as a quiet surprise, an introduction that feels ordinary at first, but quickly becomes extraordinary. For others, it may feel like a return, a reconnection with someone you thought was gone forever, yet the energy between you says otherwise. And for a few, it may already be here, quietly growing, waiting for you to recognize it. The form does not matter. The truth remains. Your soulmate is already closer than you think. And here is something important. Love is not about clinging. Love is not about chasing. Love is about presence. The person meant for you will not require you to beg for their attention. They will not leave you doubting your worth. They will not make you question whether you are enough. They will stand with you, not just when it is convenient, but when it matters. They will see you not as an option, but as destiny. And when you feel that kind of love, you will realize why all the waiting was worth it. You may already feel their energy brushing against your days. The late night restlessness, the sudden waves of warmth, the quiet pull when you look at the sky or hear a certain song. That is not your imagination. That is resonance. That is the invisible thread pulling you closer to the one who has always been meant for you. Do not dismiss it. Do not explain it away. Trust it. Now is your time to choose alignment. Every morning, before you step out of bed, whisper to yourself, I am loved. I am chosen. I am worthy. Every night, as you close your eyes, imagine your soulmate beside you, not in some distant future, not in some dream, but here and now. Feel their presence, hear their breath, rest in the certainty that love is already yours. This is how you call them closer. This is how you shift from longing into living. And I will tell you this, confirmation is coming. In the next days, weeks, or months, you will see signs that make your heart race, numbers repeating, dreams intensifying, opportunities unfolding. These are not random. They are evidence that your inner shift is already reshaping your outer world. Stay faithful to the end you have imagined, and the end will become the fact of your life. If these words have resonated with you, if something in your heart feels lighter, calmer, more certain, then that is your confirmation. You are aligned with this truth. Do not let doubt steal it. Do not let fear undo it. You found this for a reason. Your soulmate is closer than you think. Trust the process. Trust the timing. Trust the energy that has carried you here. And before you leave this space, pause for a moment. If your spirit feels it, affirm it, whisper it out loud, or write it below. Love is already mine. In doing so, you are not asking, you are declaring. You are anchoring the energy of fulfillment. You are telling the universe, I am ready. The moment you believe this fully, everything begins to change. Your soulmate is not on the way. They are already here. You need only align with the version of yourself who is ready to see it, ready to feel it, ready to live it. And when you do, the love you've been waiting for will no longer feel like a dream. It will be the reality you wake up to every day. So breathe it in, hold it close, walk with certainty, because love is already yours, and the one you seek is already closer than you think.